In this video, I'm going to show you how to find XM broker on MT5. Now, the first thing you want to do in here inside your XM dashboard, so my.xm.com, when you're signed into your account, click up top over here where you can see your accounts, and then go to any of these accounts you would like to basically connect. So just click on the account, and then after you are on that account, click on manage over here next to the account, and then the account information. And in here you can see the server. Now I know this is a server, but it's going to help you, so just copy this, go inside MT5, and in here click on File top left, click Open an Account, and then just at the very top, paste that in, so xm.com-md5, and click on Find Your Company. This is going to find xm.com. As you can see, click on Next, and then from here you can then go ahead and connect your account. If you want to know how to do this, just go ahead and watch one of my videos. I have a tutorial on that as well. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.